なんていうかな。なんていうの、スティック。スティールスティック。これ150円だけど、万が一、自分が、腰悪くて、これ使うと恥ずかしいのことじゃなくて、とりあえずは例えば一人女性はお家に帰るときにも必ず傘持っていかないとダメ。で、これもいろんなことできる。例えば、for example, for example, this one is open and this two is all open to also. And you don't, oh, my height is like that. And you can put it like that. And very nice. And of course, if you don't the light, I cannot touch the light, and this will be, look, this is the one, and look, I can, where are you, this, and I can, you can use this too also. There's a lot of purpose. Okay. Do you see? It's so